Every year in crypto it was the year of something. 2022 will be the year of? Yes, please vote if you follow me on Twitter, or if you don't, kindly follow me and then vote in this poll. I'm curious to get your thoughts on what will 2022 be the year of. Personally, I think it's going to be the year of metaverses, as all of these projects will be deploying metaverses and we'll see more and more utility for them. But surprisingly, the dominating vote at the time of doing this video goes to DeFi, with blockchain games being closely matched, but there are only 19 votes, and I normally get close to 100 or over 100 votes on these polls because they run for 2 days. So let's see what the community really thinks overall at the end of the 2 days. But kind reminder, please do vote, because I want to hear your thoughts, or get your thoughts I should say, just to see what the community actually thinks about this. Bitcountry Pioneer had a successful upgraded and rolled out to Pioneer Network the 6th runtime upgrade and the latest Polkadot 1 calculator nodes. Justin Pham, who works for Bitcountry, tweeted earlier today, and apparently they're very close to launching. Also, Claim UI had been developed and it's not publicly made available yet for us to claim the tokens, but the other day I noticed this by looking at the Polkadot web wallet. That's right, governance has been enabled and a council has been chosen, which means that after we'll be able to claim the tokens, we'll also be able to see the removal of the pseudo key, or the super user key, if you want to call it that, which gives the power to the devs to perform the upgrades on the parachain at the moment. Now, I did forget to mention that in the tweet, but it will definitely have to happen before enabling token transfers, because the community has to vote for that, just like we've seen for all the previous parachains during their launch phases. So based on all of this, I'm expecting us to be able to claim the tokens before the end of this month, and the removal of the pseudo key and the token transfers to be enabled sometime in March, by the way things are moving. Now, before we move on to the next topic, I'd like to quickly thank Blockdesk Ventures for supporting this channel, and so we'll play this short clip about them. Thank you. Blockdesk Ventures are building the blockchain industry in a different way, which means they're community-backed VC. They're giving the retail investor the opportunity to join their social media group and to be able to invest in launchpads early without worrying about the amount required being too large for them to afford. They offer a 3-tier system. Tier 1 is the Blockdesk Venture Management System, which is the top tier investment team who are going to source the new projects and provide strategic advice and assistance to onboard projects. Tier 2 is the Gunslingers team. Members of this team will be supporting the management team and the community by performing various duties to ensure project success. In return, team members receive a guaranteed allocation for each strategic investment. And Tier 3 is the core community. What this means is that this tier is dedicated to the community who drive the Gunslingers team, who would in turn feed that info back to the management team. What do they ask of you? Well, to simply help them with promotions through various social media channels such as tweets, Facebook, TikTok, Reddit, or other ways that could help. Here are some of the projects that they've already invested in, and some of these are well known by the community, and these are their partners. You can follow them on Twitter should you wish in order to stay up to date, but their Telegram channel is where all the action is at, and all of these links can be found in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Darwinia have also posted a technical guide on how to develop a substrate to substrate bridge, so if you're interested to learn more, do have a look at this article. Now, I actually wonder if this way we could connect the parachains to the solo chains or vice versa. Now, if you know the answer to this, please drop me a comment below in the video. Likely it's going to be someone from the Darwinia community, because I'm pretty sure you guys will likely know. Shiden network is one I haven't covered in quite some time, and so it looks like dApp staking version 2 is coming, where a new feature will be available called unbonding, which is an action that tells the network you want to unlock your stake tokens, and we'll be able to use it from the upgrade, which is due to happen on Wednesday. Apparently, right now there's no waiting period when unbonding, but you do need to wait an era before you can receive rewards. But that still doesn't stop people from switching from one dApp to another when staking. Now, after this upgrade, the unbonding time will be 5 days for Shiden before you can withdraw your tokens and they become transferable. They become a transferable balance. But the idea is that they will create a more healthy ecosystem by doing this upgrade. These changes are also connected to the new dApp staking tokenomics to create a much higher APR. Now, they're also saying that Astar will have a longer unbonding period, but these numbers are not decided. Ferrum Network also joined Shiden as part of Build to Earn protocol, and will launch a dApp on which you'll be able to stake on. Now these guys ring a bell to me. I am pretty sure they have a partnership with DEX tools, which I used to cover quite heavily when looking at the Uniswap price charts. But now that Uniswap is not really used anymore, or at least I don't personally use it because they are much cheaper alternatives, I've also stopped looking at DEX tools. Now they could in theory also add both Shiden and Moonriver, and I'm surprised they haven't done so for those awesome charts, so that we don't have to actually go through the different DEXs to see the price of a token that's trading on Moonriver network or on Shiden network. Integritee is one of Kusama's parachains and has been named one of the top 10 most promising Swiss startups by EU Startups, which is a website that gives you a lot of information about EU startups, just as the name says. And I do wonder if they weren't paid to include them in the list, although it might not be the case, and maybe they really are, because they're using blockchain technology and are now a proud Kusama parachain, regardless of the FUD we've seen with them regarding their partnership. Now this is how EU Startups has described them. Integritee is a Zurich-based startup that was founded in 2021 and has raised a total of 5.6 million euros in order to bring you the most scalable public blockchain solution for securely processing sensitive data or sensitive business or personal data. You can harness the speed and confidentiality of trusted execution environments combined with the trust of a decentralized network. They provide a highly secure and scalable system through which companies and developers can build broader, fairer, and more secure data-driven products and services, all without compromising on privacy. So this has been it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, but kind reminder as always, if you wish to contribute to any of the Polkadot crowd loans, you can get a hefty 7% referral bonus if you contribute to Equilibrium, 5% for Polkadex and 5% for Interlay, which are due to win this next parachain auction now that Hydra DX won the last one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.